Most people think starting a clothing business online means buying expensive machines and filling your garage with boxes of unsold shirts. They're wrong. You can actually run a high-end fashion brand from your laptop without ever touching a single piece of fabric. I'm breaking down the four-step process to automate your entire business using Gelato, so you can start selling high-quality products to customers worldwide starting today. Here's the thing. Most entrepreneurs get stuck because they think they need thousands of dollars upfront and a warehouse full of inventory. Then they end up with closets full of products nobody wants to buy. But Gelato literally changes everything by connecting you to a global network of print-on-demand facilities that handle everything from printing to shipping. You design it, they make it, and your customers receive premium quality products delivered straight to their door. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up your automated clothing business, create professional product designs, and start taking orders without any upfront investment. I've got the link to Gelato in the description below, so you can follow along step by step. Step 1. Connecting Gelato to your online store. Now here comes my absolute favorite part, setting up the connection that literally runs your business on autopilot. When I first connected Gelato to my Shopify store, the integration happened in under 3 minutes. I literally couldn't believe how simple it was. No complicated coding, no technical headaches. Here's exactly what you do. First, we start by creating your free Gelato account. Head to their website and click sign up. You can use your Google account, Facebook, Apple, or email address to sign up. Once you log in, click on the stores menu on the sidebar. You'll see Gelato supports many platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon. From here, just select your e-commerce platform, sign into your store account, and hit Connect Store to authorize the connection. It's literally like linking your Instagram to Facebook, super straightforward. Here's what most people don't know. Gelato automatically syncs your product catalog, so when someone orders from your store, it goes straight to production without you lifting a finger. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. But wait until you see how we're going to create your first product design. Step 2. Creating your first high-quality product. Now here comes my most exciting part, designing products that look like they came from a high-end boutique. When I created my first t-shirt design using Gelato's design tools, the quality blew my mind. I literally spent hours just playing with different fonts and graphics because it was so addictive. First, head to the product catalog and pick a category that fits your vibe. I'm going with women's clothing and checking out the top-selling embroidery section to see what's actually trending right now. I'll go with this Gildan 5000 heavyweight crew neck. It's a total classic. Then just hit add to store and select the shop we connected earlier. And just like that, we're in the design studio. Make sure you select all the sizes and a few different colors so your customers have more options to choose from. Now, for the fun part, the design. You have total freedom here. Upload your own artwork, use Gelato's graphics, or keep it minimal with text. For this one, I'll add an element and center it perfectly. If you want to add text, just click the menu, type your text, and use the settings to change fonts or colors until it looks just right. If things look a bit messy, you can use the Layouts tool and pick a template that fits your vision. You can repeat the same process for the back, the sleeves, or even the neck labels. Next, we can check how it looks on different mockups by clicking on Settings and selecting Preview. The preview is so high fidelity, it literally looks like you're holding the actual product in your hands. Once we're finished designing, click on the Continue to Mockups button. Here's what most people don't know. Gelato actually uses premium brands like Bella plus Canvas and Gildan. This is my favorite part because your customers get that expensive retail quality. Even if you sell a hoodie for $25, it's going to feel like a $60 boutique piece. And speaking of quality, wait until you see how we make these products look absolutely irresistible to buyers. Step 3. Generating professional product photos. Now here comes my game-changing part, creating product photos that make customers hit buy now instantly. When I first used Gelato's mockup generator, I got professional looking photos in literally 30 seconds. I literally gasped because they look better than the photos I'd paid $200 for before. Here's exactly how to do it. First, click on the Magic Mockups button. You'll see the available styles for your mockups: lifestyle, studio, nature, urban, outdoor, flat lay, and floating. We can pick one style here. After that, you'll see the prompt box filled automatically. You can tweak the prompt if you want a specific look. Here, I'll write something simple. A smiling young woman in casual wear walks down a sunny street at golden hour, holding an iced coffee. mid-step, slightly turned toward the camera, one hand holding the drink, the other tucking her hair. She has a relaxed posture, soft smile, and sun-kissed glow with subtle lens flare. Next, we can hit Generate Mockups and wait around 3 minutes. Once it's generated, we can hit Add Mockup. If for some reason it wasn't added automatically, you can simply download the image and upload it manually using the Upload Your Own button. We can also select the available mockups here. Once we're finished, we can click on the Continue to Details button. Here's what most people don't know. You don't have to pay for professional photos because Gelato gives you magic mockups for free. They actually give you 10 free credits to generate these lifestyle images, so you can see your design on a real person without spending any money. It's a huge shortcut to get professional results for your store without needing a photographer at all. Now let's get these stunning products live in your store where customers can actually buy them. Step 4, publishing your product to your store. Now, here comes my most satisfying part, watching your product go live and knowing orders can start rolling in immediately. When I published my first product through Gelato, it appeared in my Shopify store in under 2 minutes with all the photos, descriptions, and pricing automatically set up. I literally did a happy dance because it was so effortless. Here's the complete process. First, we can write the title of the product here. Then we can fill in the description in this box. If you want the shorter way, you can hit Generate with AI. Once it's finished, we can click on the Continue to Prices. Now we can start setting our retail price. Gelato will show you the base cost, and then you just need to add your profit margin. I personally recommend at least a 100% markup if you want to keep your profits healthy. You can click on Set Profit Margin too, and you'll see a few options there, like setting your profit or setting the retail price. You can just select one, set the amount you want, and then hit the Update button. It's very straightforward and helps you manage your pricing in just a few clicks. After that, we can click Continue to Review. You can review all the product information and double check your pricing. Next, we click Publish. Now, your product is live and ready for customers. Here's what most people don't know. Gelato automatically handles inventory management, so your products never show as out of stock. Every order triggers fresh production, which means you can scale infinitely without worrying about storage or cash flow. Your automated clothing business is officially ready to make sales. Let's talk about what this actually costs you. If you hired a fashion designer, it would cost you $2,000 to $5,000. If you learn traditional screen printing, you'll spend 6 months and thousands on equipment. With Gelato, it won't cost you a single dime to get started. I know what you're thinking though. This sounds too good to be true. I get it. I was super skeptical too. What if the quality is bad? Gelato partners with premium manufacturers who print for major brands. What if shipping takes forever? Most orders arrive within 3 to 7 days globally. What if I'm not creative enough? Their design tools are literally made for beginners. If you can use Canva, you can use Gelato. What if I don't get any sales? That's about marketing, not the product. And with zero upfront costs, you're not risking anything. Here's what you're actually getting: immediate access to a global clothing business, the ability to test unlimited designs without risk, financial freedom from a business that runs itself, and the creative satisfaction of building something that's totally yours. So here's what I want you to do right now. Click that link in the description below to start your free Gelato account. Don't wait. Every day you delay is another day someone else is building the clothing brand you're dreaming about. Join the thousands of entrepreneurs who've already discovered this game-changing platform. Smash that subscribe button because I'm constantly sharing new ways to build automated businesses that give you real freedom. Your future self will literally thank you for taking action today. The link to get started with Gelato is waiting for you in the description. Go click it now, and I'll see you in the next video where we're diving into advanced marketing strategies that turn your clothing brand into a 6-figure business. Let's make it happen.